Okay. Hello guys. I hope you're having a good day. Welcome to my channel. So today I have an exciting video. I got this product from Amazon Vine Voice program. So if you don't know, Amazon Vine Voice is a review program by Amazon. So basically we get free products to review, and they have to be honest. It's not a communication between the seller and the reviewer. It's only Amazon and the reviewer. So the sellers would submit the products to Amazon, and Amazon distributes them to the reviewers. So that's how it works. It's a big machine. Might have damaged it. Alright, so I forgot I took out the styrofoam. Tumakou, that's the name of the machine. If you're here, you're probably looking at this product on Amazon, so I'm just gonna run through it real quickly. You will get in the package, in the box, you'll get this. It's basically just telling you the parts and a very rough instruction on how to do it. Like if you've never touched it or seen a machine like this, like ever, like me, you would be lost. But not to worry. It also comes with a card like this. It tells you, it says thank you, and that if you have any feedback or anything like that, to write them information here. So those two, and then funny, they give you this disc that you can put in your computer, or I guess your player. I have not played it on the DVD player, but I guess you can do that. This is a disc that is an instructional video on how to do it. Basically, it looks like an advertising of, or I don't know how to describe it, but this exact video is on YouTube, and it's so funny because this is for the company called Emlay or Mlay. I don't know how to read it, but that's the name on the disc. But this machine is for tumakou, which lead me to believe that this is private labeling company. So basically they will make the machine and you put whatever brand name you want on it. So this is the main machine here. I'll give you, and there's the name there, tumakou. There are several companies that has the same instrument and has different name. It's made of plastic, really plasticky, and it's wrapped in like what sort of like a cling wrap, real tightly. So let's remove it. This one holds the hand thing, and your levels. There are 3 levels, 1, 2, 3, and this is to time. There are 2 things here, and this is the on button. This is the device here, so that's the device, and this is the handle probe, right? That's what it's called. Power cable. This is a probe for the face, and this is a probe for the body. Because it is my first time to actually have seen an instrument, a machine that is like this. When I saw it for review, I just ordered it, and I thought I could learn it. I need it. I'm 37 years old. RF is radio frequency. The machine is used to stimulate collagen production. So because when you get older, the skin turnover, they call it, is not as rapid or not as quick anymore. So you want to make that happen, right? Because it can't happen naturally by itself anymore. So you help the skin do that. So how this works is that supposedly it works by heating up the deeper skin, or the dermis. Yeah, the dermis. It works by heating it up. Heat. So you're going to be applying heat on your skin, but it won't damage the layer, the top layer, the visible skin. It actually damages what's underneath. It basically does that. It damages it, and because it's been bruised or damaged, then it would tell your immune system to quickly repair it. So basically that's what you're doing. They're on overdrive, basically. I don't know if that makes sense, but yeah, that's how I understood it. And please do not take this as a medical advice. This is my first time using it. I am experimenting too. For DIY or for home use, these machines are not as strong as the ones that they have in the doctor's clinic. Just because it's not as strong, it doesn't mean we should not practice caution, because we're dealing with radio frequency that could damage nerves, so be careful. And with this machine, you can't just use it by itself. You have to use something, gel, to help cool the skin, and also to allow the probe to glide smoothly, to act as the conductors, allowing the wavelength to pass through whatever obstacles. That's how I understand it. So with that, I researched also if can I just use any gels for it, and do I have to use an ultrasound gel? I found out that I don't have to, and I actually found a listing online of an RF machine that is paired with this aloe vera gel. I got this from Amazon. It's by Nature's Republic. So I would avoid lips, because I want my lips to be fuller. I don't want it to reduce in size, you know what I mean? Avoid my lips, and also because the effect that they're telling us is that it pretty much damages the cells underneath, so that it produces more collagen. You don't want this over your eyes. Imagine this damaging your things around your eyes. So you should avoid your eyes. That's what I read. Never use it over your eyes, because I'd rather have wrinkles than be blind, you know. Avoid that. And also I read online that you should not use it if you have braces. She was a professional, and someone asked if she can do it if she has braces on, and the person said no. So yeah, but I also read that implants and fillings are okay, so you can do this, but you can't use this also if you're pregnant and you have pacemakers and all that stuff, because it's radio frequency, so make sure you don't have them on you. So because I have this, I'm gonna take this off. I'm gonna take off all my rings while doing this, just to make sure. It doesn't tell me to, but I want to be extra careful with this. I don't know if I should, because from my research it didn't tell me anything about that. So and also, when you go in your neck, never go in your vocal cord here, the throat, and never go on your thyroid. Those things you want to avoid, because imagine if it's gonna cook it with heat. You probably would think twice doing that to your thyroid, you know. So over there, just the picture, the white, which is the cord of the probing device. It's on top, and the input power is at the bottom. All right. This one, screwing it in, like so. Nice and tight. Disinfect it. All right, let's clean it with alcohol. Cleaning it. Okay, I already plugged it in. There's an on button in the back there. Okay, so there is a reading for it. Alright, so I'm gonna start with, it wants to, I'll do just 10 minutes. I don't want to do that many levels. I'm gonna test level 1. I'm gonna put it on just half of my face to see if we can notice a difference, you know? Like, is this really a thing? Like, does it work really? And put a thick layer. My hands are clean, and my face has been cleaned. No moisturizer or anything like that. avoid the eyes. You can put it on your forehead last. That's what the thing is telling me. And one of the people who was doing this, she said, don't believe when they say that you have to use their gel, because it's probably just marketing. Because she said she even used water, and one of her clients who was allergic to a lot of things. So you can even use water. Just 10 and on level 1. I don't feel it at all. It's not even hot. Now it is. Let's do level 2. I don't even feel it. Is it working? Just warm, a little warm. Oh, and it tells you that if you have heart problems, don't use this. Or kidney failure, don't use this. I don't know why. It's not, I don't really feel it. So I put it now up to level 3 because I don't feel it. Kind of nice, you know? Benefits, they said, is it tightens the skin. So I'm gonna do an update. They tell you to do it every 2 weeks, but not that often. The guy that I watched said that if you do it too often, it would have an adverse effect, because you have to give your skin a chance to heal, instead of like keep attacking it and not giving it a chance to. Oh, and it says don't do it in your temple. Oh, I forgot about that. Don't do it in your temple. I just did it, but probably fried my brain. Oh boy. Don't do that. Don't do what I did. And this is gonna go for like 10 minutes. I'm only on 7. It's counting down. So I'll record this part of my face, how I'm doing it. I'll show you if there's any difference. I probably can see it better. If there's any difference, I probably can see it better when I'm editing. I'm gonna focus here because I have a double chin. But the thing about this product is you really have to do a research yourself. Like, there's no instruction that like what things to remove, and like explanation as to the science behind it. Like you would think, you know, that they would explain it. I'm at 2 minutes now, and my face is starting to get really warm. And you know that feeling when something is really brushing up against your skin for a while? It's warm and it kind of feels a little itchy. Yeah, kind of feels like that. Okay, it's done. Wow, that was quick. Like, this is cool right away. Alright, turn that off. And I'm gonna go clean my face. Alright, so right after washing, I just washed my face with cold water. And that's how it looks. A little red, and I feel warm sensation. Compared to the right side, I don't know if I can see much difference at all. Let me see in person. I don't see much difference, but maybe after a while of using it, you might have more changes, and you'll develop a better jawline from massaging it. But that was the first use. So I'm gonna do it in my other side of my face, but I'm not gonna film it anymore. And I'll be right back to tell you what my thoughts are later. Well, I just got done with the other side of my face, I feel it feels nice actually. I won't say that I have results already. It feels nice. My skin feels good. My jawline looks better. I still have my double chin, but it does look a little bit lifted. But I'm gonna compare the before and after, see how it really looks, because maybe it's just my eyes. Do an update maybe, because I'm planning to do it just every 2 weeks. I'm thinking, because you're not supposed to do it often. So I'm gonna try to do it every 2 weeks and let you know how my jawline looks after. Although I'm thinking, but also you have to take into consideration that I'm trying to lose weight, and because of that, my jawline is probably going to be changing. But I'm going to focus on the wrinkles, which is what it's, you know, claiming that it smooths out wrinkles. So we'll see about that. So as of now, I really don't have much wrinkles, except my smile line here is a little deep, and my skin is currently problematic. I have a few, you know, I have discoloration around here from chemical burn. I've tried everything, and sunscreen has helped it, but yeah. So I will see you again. Maybe I'll do a 6-month update, and I'll tell you then how my skin looks, and if it has, like, I'll do a comparison from now until then. Right, so thank you so much for watching, and I hope you give this video a thumbs up, and I really hope this is helpful. This is not a sponsored video. Rest assured that you will be getting a good review. So as far as the operation and application, it's pretty easy. It's very easy once you already know and understand how this thing works. So, and please subscribe if you haven't yet, and I will see you in my next video. If you have a question that maybe I did not, any questions or things that you might be wondering about that I forgot to share, don't forget to leave them in. So see you guys. Bye.